So ayan ka-dreamers, good morning. Snowing na naman. Tapos na ang summer. Char. Yan, pupunta na tayo sa work today. Baka malate na ako.
Ayan guys, hindi kita. Hindi snow. Pero pagbaksak tubig na lang. Hindi kita. Yan na lang sa may pond.
What pond? What's that thing, Mommy?
Para na siyang ulan ngayon.
Why is it raining?
I don't know.
Why is it snowing at the same time?
Yeah, no.
Think.
Now it's a rain now.
Why the snow on the top of that house? Why?
That's snow, yeah. That's snow.
Why? But it's supposed to be spring.
Not yet melting.
Is
Look
it
at that one. There's a snow on the grass. Look there.
Oh, is it not yet spring?
It's spring, but I don't know if this is the last
I think
snow.
it's the last one. No.
Yeah. Okay, may na lang ulit. Guys, ba't tumila na? May konti pang snow. Ayan. Hindi snow pa. Kaninang forecast. Hanggang alas 4 lang. Hanggang sa mabutan ng alas 8, alas 7. Yan hanggang ngayon. Alas 10. Mga magdamag to. Sana umaraw bukas. Madalas ang kalsada ngayon. Buwanti na lang kami natira. Kaya lang meron na tayo rin start. Basang-basa. Yan na lang ulit. Good morning ka dreamers. Titingin tayo ng mail. Maaraw ngayon, kahapon maulan at konting snow. Check natin ang mail. Napaka-araw ngayon, no? Okay, check ko na lang muna. Ayan guys, puro dyaryo, wala masyadong mail. Check na tayo. Sarap ng weather ngayon. Positive 4 feels positive 4. Yes lang. Mainit. Mainit-init na. Malamig ang hangin. Uwi muna tayo. So mamaya try natin lumabas kasama mga bata. Punta sa park. Ngayon, aeroplano. Hindi ko lang kung kita. Titinan ko ang lapit, pero kapag dito kinukuha na ko, ang liit lang na. Malapit na ako. Yan na lang ulit pag lumabas kami. Okay guys, so base naman tayo. Gigib tayong tubig. Na tayong tubig. Hindi ko na na-videoan yun sa Walmart. Nali ako ng tinapay at gatas ng mga bata. Hindi tayo Baby. Masyadong tao. Pero sleep pa lang ngayon. Ipasok pa. Sa trabaho pa mga tao. Hindi naman nasa labas. Igib. Ayan, natapos din tayo. Tatagal din. Tatlong bote lang yan. Konting hugas ko. Konting hugas. Ano ng card? Tapos ang punta. Ibang walang mahabang dito. Maya po hapon. Pauwian. Babayad muna tayo. Wala lang ulit. Ayan, magkakarga naman tayo. Lamig na malamig na mainit. Sarap lobas ngayon. Oh, grabe, Grand Highlander. Special. Okay, pasok mo na namin ito at makauwi na. Okay, susunod ulit.
One more, Ella. Hindi na, uy! Grabe, uy! Oh!
Look at this. Wait.
Wow! Andun sila ate, ano?
Oh, let me fix.
Oh, bilis, Ella!
Let me fix.
Tingnan natin. Hindi naman siya pumupunta dito sa kalsada, pero para mas safe na lang. Mas sure. Uy! Ang galing ah! Kawawa naman, ang laki-laki pa ng nababanat na yata yung sombrero niya, no, Daryl? Oo, nasasabit sa buhok niya. Okay, go! Whee! Tataas mo daw niya yung kamay niya. Yabang ah. You can remove your, cap. Remove your cap na. Mag-hoodie ka na lang. Yes, mag-hoodie ka na lang, anak. Put your hoodie. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Hindi nagsusuklay si Vanella. Ay, parang tibo. Magagalit yan paglaki. Lagot ka, Daryl. Hindi ko kasalanan yan, ha? Na
laki ng sombrero eh.
mga kanungan mo. Hindi ito.
Lolo.
Akala nyo, magsasalmon siya. Akala mo, ha?
Hindi mo lang dala isa pang cellphone.
I fixed my knee by myself.
Okay, get down.
Slide.
Whee!
How was I slide? The airplane goes.
Oh, you play this one too. Oh. You play this, oh. Ella. You play this, oh.
Oh no! How that is slide so
Go
far.
play. Oo. Oh. Ay, sus! Ay, sus!
Mama.
Ala! With, ano pa? With sounds pa. Are you happy today?
Okay, get my video for
Oh, jump, 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 jump. Okay. Drive, drive, drive.
That's their house. That's their property.
Okay. Ay, labas-labas yung pet. Uy, Daryl, tinataas ni Ella yung pants niya. Labas-labas yung pet niya.
Tara, taas pa natin.
Okay, yay!
Whenever we go to
wait
Tita
lang, wait
Arby's
lang.
house,
Wait.
Why do you want to go to Tita Army's house?
remember?
Yes, why?
Because we might be trespassing. We might.
Ano daw?
Trespassing yung aeroplane niya kasi nandun sa bakod.
Ah, naalala niya yung ginawa niya nun. Yung balloon. Mm-mm.
Then
Trespassing.
this is my airplane.
Yeah, matetrespassing daw yung airplane niya. Galing ah. Galing ni Kaden ah. Naalala niya yung trespassing.
Daddy, the mommy, my dream is to let my baby bird airplane fly so far.
Okay.
So long.
So you want to become a pilot?
No,
No? Why?
because I want to become a police officer.
Oh my God. Why do you want to become a police officer?
Because I will chase all the bad guys.
Yeah. So maganda yung weather ngayon.
My daddy.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na pero uulan ba bukas?
Wow.
Monday ulit. Yun ulit guys. Pero tama lang para maanuhan yung mga damo, no? Para lumag.
Alam ko ilang percent.
Oo.
My baby airplane.
So madaming nagpupunta na sa park ngayon. Ano doon si Max? Oh. Laki ng aso,
That's the
guys.
world's biggest dog
Great thing.
in the world.
The biggest dog in the world.
Yes.
Great Dane yata yun. Yung parang hunting dog.
Parang.
Ah,
Naku, tatapakan niya lang si Max, oh. Naku, wag niyang lalapitan katulad dun sa park.
so good and
May masakit na po ang likod.
why walking is the exercise? Why?
Why daw, Dari? Ay, naku. Sumasakit na ang kasukasuhan. Ang tanda na, Dari. Ay, may katakot naman to. No,
What?
you hold it.
Hello.
Wag mo ang...
Hello. We're going to Dims.
Where your hand?
Your hands naman is...
We're going to Dims now.
Oh,
Please.
how about this one?
We're walking to Dims now.
Ang lapit naman na.
Well, my mom and my dad is also going to Dims. I can eat pasta like Dims. See, I'm gonna.
Yung parang ano?
I like it here because I know I like it because we're going to Dims. So I like it. It's gonna be nice in Dims. Please see? It's gonna. So it's gonna be whatever I want. Okay? So it's gonna be whatever I want. Well, I'm here.
You
Ayun
want
yung
to show
magandang
to
bird,
them? You want to show to them what you're... Okay.
Hello. We're going outside.
You hold it
Okay,
straight
you
like
did.
this.
Hello.
You hold like that.
Hello. We're going to Dims. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we get you it soon. So we're going to Dims now because I like it.
Like that. Oh. Show Daddy and Ella. Oh.
So
See?
and also my mom when I walk 5 Dims. Okay. What kind of?
You say bye-bye ka, dreamers.
Bye, good dreamers.